Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both Windows and the AirPods so pairing is immediate. Put the AirPods in pairing mode and open settings right arrow Bluetooth. You want the PC to recognize them as a device. Once paired, keep Discord closed while you set system defaults because Discord inherits Windows audio choices. Make sure to disable other Bluetooth headsets so the AirPods receive priority, and verify battery and firmware are adequate. This prevents connection drops before you move into Discord-specific configuration. Now you configure Discord so sound routes correctly. Open user settings, then voice and video. Select your AirPods for both input and output devices. Note why. Windows offers two Bluetooth profiles, stereo for high-quality audio and hands-free for mic support, so choose hands-free if you need voice chat or stereo for music while using a separate mic. Once selected, use the mic test and input sensitivity to eliminate clipping or background noise. Adjust volumes until your playback and mic levels sound natural. Finish by confirming functionality in a real call and make small tweaks for stability. Join a friend or a test server and listen for echo or low mic volume. If you hear quality problems, switch the Bluetooth profile between stereo and hands-free to see which fits your need. Once done, restart Discord so settings apply. If issues persist, reconnect the AirPods or reboot Windows. One key troubleshooting tip. Check Windows privacy settings to ensure apps can access your microphone. This often blocks Discord mic input.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.